You can now remove silences in Adobe Premiere Pro using no plugins at all. To remove silences in the past, you would have to use a plugin like Autocut, Firecut, or Autopod, and you'd have to pay anywhere from $10 to $30 a month to do that. Now, this method that I'm going to show you is amazing, but there are still benefits to using those other plugins that I will show you in a sec. But first, let me show you what you came here for. So if we come into Adobe Premiere Pro and we drag a clip into the timeline, here is just a clip of me from one of my past videos. You can see that there are silences on this clip, which means if we zoom in here, the dB level is below a certain point at these places because I am not actually saying anything. And then here is when I am speaking, when these waveforms go up. So basically when you're editing, what you used to have to do before even the plugins became a thing was come in here, create a cut after you're done speaking, and then come to the next point where you're speaking and cut that so that you have a seamless transition between you ending your last sentence and you starting your next sentence. So it'll sound something like this. Pro. Now, if you weren't aware, then there were plugins that allowed you to do all of this automatically, which was amazing. But now if you pay for the Adobe Premiere Pro subscription, then you can automatically do this. So before even dragging your clip into the timeline, go up to Edit, go to Preferences, and then come down to Transcription. Then make sure that Automatically Transcribe Clips is selected. Then click OK. And this will make it so that when you drag a clip into the timeline and then come to your text panel up here, then everything that is in your timeline will already be transcribed for you, instead of having to manually come into the text panel and then click transcribe. So now this is where the magic happens. As you can see, we have everything that I said right here. Now these three little dots are actually silences. So these are the points where I am not saying anything, where I'm not speaking. And so Adobe, using whatever magical methods they use, created something that tracks all of the silences in your speaking. So if we click on this point, it'll take us over in the timeline to the silence point. And so now what we want to do is delete all of these. And it's really easy. Just come up to this little filter icon, select pause, and then it will select all of the pauses automatically for you. Then we will just simply click delete, and you will see these options pop up here. If you click the lift option and then hit delete all, then the silences will be removed in the timeline and it won't bring your clips together. So it just lifts the silences out of your clip. Now let's undo that. I actually want to come back to the filter, select pause, and then keep extract selected. And now I want to hit delete all and watch in the timeline to see what happens. So I hit delete all, and now a lot of the silences, most of the silences, have been deleted. As you can see here, we have this small pause that wasn't caught. But for the most part, this deleted all of the silences, and the clip went from, let's see, 1 minute and 40 seconds to 48 seconds. So you can see that if you have a long clip and you need to get rid of the silences quickly, that this is just an awesome tool. This will save you so much time. So let me actually try it with a longer clip. So I'm going to drag this 21-minute clip onto my timeline now. And as you can see, it'll start auto-transcribing. And depending on the length of your clip, it could take seconds, it could take minutes to do this transcription. And this 21-minute clip took about 1 to 2 minutes to transcribe the entire thing. And so now you can see we're going from 21 minutes, 51 seconds. Let's click on the filter, go to pause, and then we will keep extract selected. And now we will delete all. And in an instant, we've cut the video down from 22 minutes to 19 minutes, 37 seconds. So this tool is just very helpful in saving time when you're first doing that initial cut. But I will say it's not perfect. And you don't really have any control on how tight your cuts are. And it misses silences that are shorter than a certain length. So yeah, great free method if you don't want to spend any money. If you do have an extra $10 to $30 and you want to use a plugin that will get you much more accurate and tighter cuts with a lot more control, then I would highly recommend trying out Firecut or Autocut. There's also the Autopod plugin, but that doesn't give you a lot of control either. And I would honestly just use this over Autopod in that case. But overall, very cool tool, and I would highly recommend you to check it out. I hope this helped you out and you can use it to save tons of time on your future projects. If you want to learn how to make your voice sound really good in post, then check out this video to see how I do my audio correction on my videos. If you don't yet have Premiere Pro, you can click the link in the description to download it there. And as always, thanks for watching.